Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can enable crossplay on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys, right here you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. And in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to enable crossplay on your PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find online status, profile, trophies, switch user, and lastly right here you're gonna find the option to log out. So right now go ahead and click on profile, and then once you click on profile, here you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find overview, games, friends, shared, online status, share profile, edit profile, and lastly your privacy settings. Go ahead and click on privacy settings, and then once you do that you're gonna be here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find communication and multiplayer. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find get crossplay game invitation. Allowing crossplay invitations lets you receive game invites from players outside of PlayStation Network. Go ahead and click on this option and make sure you allow this option. So once you do that, the crossplay will be enabled on your account. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.